In this video, we're going to show you how to install your Timbren Active Off-Road Bumpstops on your 4th Gen Toyota Tacoma. If you plan on doing any off-roading or overlanding with your Toyota Tacoma, you're going to want to upgrade the bump stops on that vehicle. Think of these as an insurance policy for your suspension. These are going to protect your suspension from bottoming out. It's also going to protect your frame and axle from any steel-on-steel collision when you hit those harsh slams and bottoming out off-road. And the byproduct of that is that you're going to protect yourself and any passengers in the vehicle from experiencing any of those slams in your body, which ultimately, because you're reducing that body fatigue, is going to keep you on the trail longer. This is an extremely easy kit to install in just a few steps. Here's what you're going to need to do. Remove your rear wheel and tires. Using a 12mm socket and a ratchet, remove the 3 bolts holding on the OEM bump stop. Don't throw out the factory bolts though, because we're going to reuse those to install the Timbren Active Off-Road Bumpstop mounting bracket later on. Assemble the Active Off-Road Bumpstop Kit using supplied bolts, the supplied nuts, a 9/16 socket, socket extension, Allen key, and a ratchet wrench. Hand tighten the Timbren kit to your frame using the 3 12mm bolts you previously removed. Now you're going to tighten everything up. Repeat the process on the other side and then reinstall your wheels and tires. Now your Tacoma is ready to hit the trails. Every Timbren Active Off-Road Bumpstop Kit comes with a 100-day money-back guarantee and a no BS lifetime warranty. If you've got any questions about an Active Off-Road Bumpstop Kit for your vehicle or your Tacoma, head over to Timbren.com, reach out to our customer service team. We would love to answer any questions you've got. Until next time, we'll see you on the trail.